And that loud, pitchy sound is back again.
So breaking news out of central Edmonton, they keep hearing a mysterious ringing sound.
To the south of Stony Plain Road. So maybe 102nd Avenue or Jasper Avenue, I'm not sure. It's really loud.
Damn, that is loud, and they're not sure what's causing this. Is it the buildings with the wind blowing off of it? Could it be actually man-made or construction? Is it a bunch of machinery or engineering going on? Is it actually the earth causing this through sounds? Or is it possibly aliens? I don't know. Who knows? Or maybe it's somebody playing a prank or some angry dude with a siren somewhere. I don't know what that is, but it would sure piss me off, and I'd definitely go out to go find out what it is. So I thought I'd just share this information with all of you and educate you what's going on in Edmonton. They're hearing a weird ringing slash hum sound. If you actually look into the hum sound, apparently people hear it from all around the world, but there are cases where it actually is solved and other cases where it's still unsolved. So let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. What do you think this weird humming, ringing sound is? Also, please like this video and click that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe. God bless you all, and take care.